Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag dishwasher access panel insulation. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new access panel insulation. The access panel insulation provides soundproofing for the dishwasher. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and noise is coming from the bottom of the dishwasher. The access panel is located at the bottom of the dishwasher. In order to take it off, we're going to use a flathead screwdriver to remove the retainers. All you have to do is turn the retainer 90 degrees and pull it off. The other one comes off the same way. Once you have them off, we can pull the access panel out. Make sure you grab the insulation so it comes with it if it's still attached. Once you have it out, we can set it on a table so we can take the insulation off. Once you have the access panel on the table, we're just going to lift it up, and you can see that the insulation is glued right to the access panel. So we're going to use a razor blade to cut it off. Then we can clean as much of the old glue and residue off as we can to make sure the new one sticks good. Just use a razor blade, carefully cut it off. Once you have all the glue residue off, you can just wipe it off and make sure you get it nice and clean so there's no oily residue on there before you stick the new insulation on. Here's the old access panel insulation next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you put the access panel insulation on, you want to make sure that the cutout for the water valve is on this side. It has a adhesive on the back. So we're just going to peel this paper off. And then we're going to lift the access panel up. We're going to stick it on right here where the old one was. Once you have it on, you want to just press on the glue and make sure it's stuck to the access panel good. Once you have it attached, put the access panel back in the dishwasher. To put the access panel back in, we're just going to compress the insulation and push it back up under the dishwasher. Once you have it in place, you can use the flathead screwdriver to put in the retainers. To put them in, you just want to push the access panel up against the frame and push the retainer into the channel. Once you have it in place, we can grab the flathead screwdriver and turn it 90 degrees to lock it in. Once you have this side in, we can do the one on the other side. Now that we have the dishwasher put back together, you can plug it back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.